Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantastic Funnels tutorial series. So currently I'm recording this tutorial, connecting the domain and doing all the configuration using the cPanel on system.io for one of my clients. So in our previous video, in my previous video, you just saw that how to connect your domain with cPanel, and it is very, very easy. You don't have to make it complicated. You seeing all those options inside the cPanel, you just have to know that which specific option you just have to open and what to do next. Okay. So if you haven't watched my previous tutorial, it is on my profile on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and watch it. I'm also going to put the link in the description. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and verify our domain so that it will be ready to send out the emails to our audience using our branded emails. So usually what I do, like as soon as I connect the domain to system.io, I just go ahead and start like creating my branded email using Zoho Mail services. Okay. But today I'm not going to start creating the email, and might be I'm not going to create the tutorial for that because I have done it so many times. It's in my master class on my system.io guide as well. So if you are a part of that journey, you can watch how to create your how to create your Zoho Mail account and create a free branded email. It's on my YouTube channel as well, so you can watch it there. Now, let's do one thing. I'm just going to copy my domain name from here and will be uh, going to add, start initiating the domain verification so that it will be available as a uh, transactional emails. So in order to verify your domain, uh, in this case, like your domain is absolutely fine that you can go ahead and start connected with your landing page or your website and it will get hosted immediately. Okay. Your website go live uh, instantly. The verification is important to send out the emails. Okay. So if you go to the settings area, there is a email section. Just click on that, and if you want to use your own SendGrid API, you can do that. Otherwise, under the domain section, you just have to click the blue link and add your domain. What this will do, this will again give you some strings of values. And this time, you don't have to add www. You just have to verify your domain without www. So you have to just save it. And when you save it, it will appear like this in your account, and the status will be showing as pending. And inside the DNS setting, you will see a I button. You have to click on that I button, and then you will be going to see 4 DNS records. Okay. So three are the CNAME records and one is the TXT record. So this time you have to update all these records at the same zone editor inside your cPanel. Okay. So let's go ahead and open the cPanel again in front of us, and we'll be doing that. Okay. So in the cPanel, we have to add all the CNAME records. And again, like we did in the previously, you don't have to add the entire record, but the prefix before your domain name. So the prefix is this code, SI code. Copy that SI code and add a record, new CNAME. In the type, you have to select the CNAME. In the name, copy that paste that SI code, and inside the value, you have to copy the entire text. Okay, and then save record. And this time it will be saved. You see that it's done. Bingo. So you successfully saved the following CNAME record. So we have to save other two CNAME records. Copy the value before your domain name and add a record. Select the type CNAME, not the MX CNAME. Put that value in the name section and then copy the value from the system.io and add it to the records area and save it again. You just have to keep repeating this task until you add all the values properly. All right, now here we go. We have a txt. So in the txt record, we have to add dmarc. Again, I'm just going to give you a tip in here. When you see all the txt records, and now here you see that already a DMARC record is available in here. Okay. So DMARC, the domain name, and this txt. A default DMARC record is already present, like the CNAME one. And again, when you add this txt record, this DMARC record, it will get added. It won't going to conflict. Okay. Let me show you. I'm selecting the txt. I just added the DMARC value, and then we'll copy this particular entire value. And I just copied with the button over there, and we'll be adding it here and save the record. And yeah, I'm sure that it will be saved. So here, um, if you can see at the down at the very bottom, it just got saved. Okay. But the problem is now, unless we have two DMARC record here, and because of the previous DMARC record, my domain verification will not get complete. So make sure that when you are connecting your DMARC record to your hosting provider, doesn't matter whether it is GoDaddy, Namecheap, or cPanel, or any other one, you have to delete the previous DMARC record. Otherwise, the domain verification will be kept showing you pending for 24 hours, 48 hours, and your domain will be deleted from there. And then you will going to talk to the support, and then support will going to tell you the same thing. So better, if you're watching this tutorial and trying to do it for the first time, make sure that the older DMARC record, which is available by default into the system, just delete it. And it won't going to make any changes in the system because you already updated the another DMARC record from the platform where your domain is now hosted. Okay. So this is how like you update it, and now this will going to take a lot of time, a lot of which means like maybe 40 minutes, an hour. So we are going to wait for that, and we'll see that how much time it will going to take. And once your domain will get verified, you can add your multiple emails in here. Now at this particular place, you can add your branded email, which means that info@yourdomainname.com, contact@yourdomainname.com, care@yourdomainname.com, like those emails. So we haven't created any email yet. So now after this particular process, I'm just going to create the email with Zoho Mail service provider, and we are going to add those emails in here. So see you soon with the new tutorial on the email part. We'll be uploading the video of email creation, that how I create the email using the Zoho Mail server, and how we are going to verify it with the DNS name servers, and then we'll be adding it here inside the email section. Okay, we will be keep waiting for this particular domain verification to be get done. So I'm just going to pause the recording for a little bit of time, and once it will get done, I'll let you know that how much exact time it took to complete the verification of this particular domain. All right, so let's see. Okay, so fine. Now our domain got verified to start sending out the emails. Now, the next part that we have to create our branded email using the Zoho mail server. So this actually it took like somewhere around 1 hour. Between 1 hour to 1.5 hours, it will going to take to complete the verification of your email account. Okay, so the domain to send out the email. So we just done the verification. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm just going to upload such more videos from system.io on this channel. And if you want us to work on your project or anything related to the system.io, we have a masterclass created and an offer for you. Please check the link in the description for our masterclass and our offer and see if this will going to help you out or not. So see you soon with the new energetic video on system.io. Till then, stay safe and have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.